This parcel of rough has 6 pieces and a total of 21 carats, and you can see there's a nice 1 or 2 stones in this one, nice bluey purple. It's pretty easy there, you can see the stone sitting straight there. Oh, there's your stone sitting right on the diagonal. Another colour bar there, but I don't think it's big enough to cut a stone. There's a stone sitting there, it's a little gem on the end. And you can see as clearly as day that there's a black opal there, needs polishing. And lucky last, and that's a dark opal. There you go.